The city of Cape Town boasts the highest number of the most luxurious and expensive suburbs in the country. And while house prices in other cities are slowly recovering from the global slowdown, showing modest growth, Cape Town is still the highest average priced market in South Africa.
It's safe to say since the recession, most markets have done fairly poorly. That's since 2008 and 2009. But I think Cape Town's been better positioned to weather the storm, if one could put it that way, than most. The reason being Cape Town, along with Joburg, is a services-driven economy, and the services sectors tend to be more stable economically than, for instance, manufacturing and mining, which are a lot more cyclical. The perception of it being a well-run province, the perception of a good lifestyle, plus a very solid economy and a strong long-term economic growth. So all in all, I think it's been able to weather the storm a lot better than most of the other places in the country.
The investors who are coming through, they're looking for both return and capital growth or asset class growth, and certainly Cape Town over the period has been able to deliver that. I think you get a similar return all throughout, and residential property holds are a long-term hold, they're not a short-term aspect. But on the long term, certainly Cape Town price appreciation and growth has outperformed all the other cities in South Africa.
According to the latest real estate survey, the Western Cape is South Africa's prime foreign property investment destination, with 5% of buyers being international compared to the national average of 3%.
Well, I mean, the Western Cape has always been a prime foreign destination, certainly since the turn of the century, of the millennium. And investors like it. There's a European type of lifestyle, the physical surroundings are good, the beauty is good. And I think that the Western Cape should ultimately always capture that market.
Besides the beautiful scenery and lifestyle, many believe Cape Town's success is partly due to the city's service delivery.
We've spent 19 billion rand in terms of new infrastructure, upgraded our water, electricity supply systems, our sewage systems, road repairs. We've doubled expenditure on repairs and maintenance of all our infrastructure. And that has resulted, I believe, in a significant improvement in the operations of the city. And that certainty, I believe, has created the situation that Cape Town is one of the cities in Africa where people can feel guaranteed that they have a secure level of service.
You can see the impact, for example, of the new bus rapid transit system. As soon as you put infrastructure like that down, first, people are getting out of their cars to take it. It's been an overwhelming success up the West Coast. Secondly, people are buying property or renting property near the new bus stops because they realize that they don't have to sit in their car for an hour and a half every morning, and that makes the whole corridor an attractive place to live and develop.
The most expensive residential property to be sold in South Africa is the super luxurious penthouse at the top of hotel magnate Sol Kerzner's one and only hotel at the V&A waterfront. It was sold for a record 115 million rand.
The Penthouse 3 at the one and only is truly a magnificent property. It's over 2 floors, it's got beautiful views, magnificent entertainment and living spaces, 1,600 square meters. So it's justifiably the best property sold and the best property price achieved in South Africa to date. Sold, quite frankly, to a South African purchaser. So it's interesting to see that even at that level of the market, there are South Africans buying.
According to analysts, the long-term property market in Cape Town looks positive.
The Western Cape has promoted itself as a good lifestyle. Well, it's a combination of having a good lifestyle plus a solid long-term growth economy. So I think that the Western Cape will continue over the next decade to outperform the rest of the country. It has a good long-term economic and property future. And then on top of that, what also contributes to its longer-term prospects once all the global crises are past, and they will pass at some point, is a relative land scarcity.
I think South African property in global terms is doing relatively well. But that being said, it doesn't mean that it's a slam dunk here in South Africa. I still feel we'll see some price deflation this year. I think certain sectors of the market will be good. I think the luxury end of the market may remain under some pressure, but I think entry-level homes will be strong because South Africa is underhoused and we need accommodation for people.
While the prices in the mother city are high and sellers aren't desperate, even the talk of a double-dip recession has not stopped people from investing in the prime lifestyle Cape Town has to offer.